Hi everyone, this is Vivian from Yes Tech. Here is the InfoComm 2026. Welcome to our booth. Now you see the rental stage, very creative shapes is our magic stage. It's also our most popular rental model. The big feature for this product is multiple use. So right now you can see the ceiling, the triangle, and also the wing under this part of the stage, and the dance floor actually is the same panel, so it's multiple used. And you can see the triangle, the big wings. So we can create a lot creative shapes. So you want to find the numbers, letters, chemistry, and heart. We can also do all kinds of creative shapes, make your staging special. So if you want to check more details, welcome to check our website www.yes-led.com. Thank you.